Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can save your presentations and boards on Miro as a template to use them for your future projects and boards as well. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the board you would like to use as a template. And unfortunately, there's no built-in feature how you can, or that allows you to save your entire board or whiteboard presentation as a template. I have checked all of these options here, so there's actually no way to save these as a template, but there's a way how we can fix this anyway. So what you want to do is simply use a frame as your board and later simply save it as a template. So let me just delete these example frames here, frame 4 and frame 3, and after that simply use frame 1 just like that. Let me just use it so that there's no other frame. And yeah, you can add, for example, all kinds of elements and items to your frame if you'd like to add them to your template or use them as your template. And simply right click into your frame and select Save as Template here. And after that, you will be able to save it as a template. However, guys, with my membership, it is actually not possible to save these as a template, but technically that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video anyway, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.